In this video, we'll show you how to send an email to all customers registered on your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Reports and then Customers. There are two options: sending a newsletter to those that have opted in to receive them, and sending an email to all registered customers. To send a newsletter, click the Send Newsletter to Customer button. Enter a subject in the subject line and enter your message in the free text message field. You can include up to 2 attachments by clicking on the Browse button and adding a file from your local device. Then click the Send Newsletter button. You can also send an email to all customers that are registered on your site by selecting the Send Emails to Customers option. The numbers shown here are your total number of customers, and in brackets is the total number that have opted in to receive marketing emails from you. The modal window that appears contains the same fields as previously shown. It also contains the marketing email checkbox. Check this box if you are sending a marketing email, as the email will only be sent to those specifically opted in to receive marketing emails from your organisation. Click the Send button when you are done. And that's it, you have now successfully sent an email to all customers registered on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.